Dear children, heartiest welcome in English class. How are you? Hope that all of you are well and safe at your home. Today we will solve the exercise of chapter 7, that is the invention of Vita Wonk of your book Honeycomb. Dear children, these are expected learning outcomes which will be achieved by us after solving the exercise. As you know that we already read the whole chapter in previous two videos with full explanation in bilingual language. Today we will solve the exercise of this chapter. Let's start. First we solve the exercise, that is comprehension check, which is written at page number 101. The first question under this exercise is choose the right answer. The first part of this question is Mr. Willy Wonka is A. a cook, B. an inventor, C. a manager. The answer of this question is Mr. Willy Wonka is an inventor, that is B. Now second part of this question, Wonka White makes people A. older, B. younger. The answer of this question is Wonka White makes people younger, that is B. Now third part of this question is Mr. Wonka wants to invent a new thing which will make people A. younger, B. older. The answer of this question is Mr. Wonka wants to invent a new thing which will make people older, that is B. Now second question of this exercise is can anyone's age be a minus number? What does minus 87 mean? प्यारे बच्चों, क्या किसी की आयु माइनस संख्या में हो सकती है? माइनस 87 का क्या अर्थ है? The answer of this question is no one's age cannot be a minus number. Minus 87 means that after 87 years he will become 0 and start aging then. Moreover, it means the man is 87 years back to his actual age. Now, third question. Mr. Wonka begins by asking himself two questions. What are they? श्री वोंका ने स्वयं से दो प्रश्न पूछने से शुरुआत की. वे प्रश्न क्या हैं? The first question is what is dash? The answer of these questions are what is the oldest living thing in the world? Now second question, what lives dash? The answer is what lives longer than anything else? Now dear children, let's go to another exercise which comes under working with text, which is written at page number 102 in your book. The first part of question number 1 under this exercise is what trees does Mr. Wonka mention? Which tree does he say lives the longest? श्रीमान वोंका किन वृक्षों का उल्लेख करते हैं? उनके अनुसार कौन सा वृक्ष अधिक समय तक रहता है? The answer of this question is Mr. Wonka mentions four important trees: Douglas fir, oak, cedar and bristlecone pine. According to him, bristlecone pine lives the longest. Now, second part of this question is how long does this tree live? Where can you find it? यह वृक्ष कितने समय तक रहता है? यह वृक्ष कहाँ मिल सकता है? The answer of this question is this tree, that is bristlecone pine, lives up to 4,000 years. It grows upon the slopes of Wheeler Peak in Nevada, USA. Now, question number 2. How many of the oldest living things can you remember from Mr. Wonka's list? Don't look back at the story. Do you think all these things really exist or are some of them purely imaginary? प्यारे बच्चों, आपको श्री वोंका की पुरानी जीवित चीज़ों की सूची में से कितनी याद हैं? आपके विचार में इन चीज़ों का वास्तव में अस्तित्व है या उनमें से कुछ नितांत काल्पनिक है? द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज Mr. Wonka mentions about 9 of the oldest things like a pint of sap from bristlecone pine, the toe-nail clipping, an egg of old tortoise, the tail of horse in Arabia, the whiskers of cat called crumpets, an old flea, the tail of giant rat, the black teeth of grimalkin, and the knuckle bones of Catlu. Some of these things do not really exist. These are purely imaginary. Now let's go to question number 3. Why does Mr. Wonka collect items from the oldest things? Do you think this is the right way to begin his invention? श्री वोंका पुरानी वस्तुओं के कुछ भाग क्यों इकट्ठा करते हैं? क्या आपके विचार में किसी खोज की शुरुआत करने का यह तरीका सही है? द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज मिस्टर वोंका collects items from the oldest things to invent a new medicine that would make the person who consume it old. I do not think that this is the right way to begin his invention. Now, question number 4. What happens to the volunteer who swallows 4 drops of the new invention? What is the name of the invention? प्यारे बच्चों, उस व्यक्ति के साथ क्या घटना घटी जिसने स्वेच्छा से उस नई दवा की 4 बूंदें पी थी? इस खोज का क्या नाम है? द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज द volunteer who swallows 4 drops of the new invention began wrinkling and shriveling up all over, and his hair started dropping off, and his teeth started falling out. He had suddenly become an old fellow of 75 from 20-year-old. The name of the invention is Vita Wonk. Now, dear children, let's go to another exercise, that is working with language. The question number 1 under this exercise is, what do you call these insects in your language? Cockroach, mosquito, grasshopper, housefly, dragonfly, and ant. How these insects affect your health? Have a discussion in this class. The answer of this question is, we call these insects in Hindi language as cockroach, tilchatta, mosquito, मच्छर, grasshopper, टिड्डी, housefly, घरेलू मक्खी, dragonfly, व्याध पतंग. बच्चों, यह एक तरह का पतंगा होता है. एंड लास्टली एंट, जिसको हम चींटी कहते हैं. These insects affect our health because they carry certain bacteria which causes illness and other diseases. If left on food or bite on skin, they are considered to be dangerous. Now, second question under this exercise is filling the blanks in the recipe given below with words from the box: shred, cooker, times, tomatoes, half, onion, oil. Dear children, we frame an essay on palak dal. Let's start. First we write ingredients. 1 dash means 1 onion. Second, 1 cup dal. Third, 2 thin green chilies. Fourth, dash a teaspoon red chili powder. Here comes half a teaspoon red chili powder. Thereafter, 8 small bunches of palak. Thereafter, 2 dash means 2 tomatoes. Thereafter, salt to taste. Now, frame an essay on palak dal. Wash and cut the vegetable, dash the palak. Put everything in a pressure, dash. Let the cooker whistle 3 dash, then switch it off. Fry a few cumin seeds in dash and add to the palak dal. Let's complete these blanks and write the essay. Wash and cut the vegetables, shred the palak, put everything in a pressure cooker, let cooker whistle 3 times, then switch it off. Fry a few cumin seeds in oil and add to the palak dal. So dear children, these are the exercise of chapter 7, that is the invention of Vita Wonk. Dear children, I hope you understand all these question answers very well. There is a worksheet along with this video. Kindly solve the questions given in the worksheet so that you can make more understanding about these exercise of this chapter. Thank you. Be happy and safe.